Is it worth investing in digital? According to a research, 84% of failures come from careless work habits. That basically refers to human error, maintenance issues, and non-compliance to standard operating procedures, as the major reason for most of the disasters in industries. Latest incident of Vizag gas leakage in May 2020 is clear example of human error and negligence in maintenance. It was a result of missing temperature monitoring activity that led to this accident. Preventive maintenance, asset tracking, condition monitoring, inspection and calibration are critical for 24/7 operations of any industry, like oil and gas, steel, textiles, chemical, pharma, telecom, auto, or power. The digital